In fact, there are 3D artists making great money in industries most people don't even realize exist. One of the jobs on this list pays more than most film directors make. And there's a good chance you've never even heard its name. And here's the crazy part. Some of these jobs have less competition than traditional game and film roles because hardly anyone knows about them. So if you've been thinking, is becoming a 3D artist even worth it anymore? This video might completely change how you see your future. Stick around, because the last one on this list pays more than almost everything else we're about to cover, and it might be the one job that changes how you think about this entire industry. Let's dive in. 5. Medical 3D animator. Picture this. A pharmaceutical company just spent $2 billion developing a new drug, and almost nobody in that boardroom can actually picture how it works inside the human body. That's where this job steps in. It's called a medical 3D animator, and the entire role is turning complicated biology into something a patient, a jury, or a room full of investors can understand in seconds. You'd think this needs a medical degree. It doesn't. Just a serious grip on anatomy and animation. Average pay starts in the mid-$70,000, and specialists working in pharma can clear well past $140,000. And if that surprised you, wait until you hear where number 4 takes us. 4. Simulation and training artist. Every tank training program, every VR combat exercise, every simulator the military runs needs someone constructing that 3D world down to the exact texture of the dirt. This role goes by simulation and training artist, and most of them will never see combat themselves. They just have to make the training feel real enough that combat doesn't feel unfamiliar. Entry-level lands around $55,000, but senior specialists with clearance can push past $120,000, and this industry almost never stops hiring. Number 3, though, you've actually seen this one's work. You just didn't know its name. 3. Virtual production artist. Remember those jaw-dropping alien landscapes in shows like The Mandalorian? Most people assume those were shot on location somewhere exotic. They weren't. They were built in real time and projected onto a massive wall of LED screens wrapped around the actors. The people building those environments are called virtual production or real-time artists, and it's one of the fastest growing corners of the entire industry right now. Starting pay hovers around $73,000, but lead artists on these stages are pulling in $150,000 or more. Number 2 is going to sound strange at first. Just trust me on this one. 2. Forensic animator. Somewhere right now, a courtroom is trying to reconstruct exactly how a crash happened, second by second, and testimony alone isn't cutting it. That's when attorneys bring in a forensic animator, someone who rebuilds the entire event in 3D, accurate enough to hold up in front of a jury. It's part science, part storytelling. Many in this field are sitting close to 6 figures, and the busiest freelancers have cleared well over $150,000 in a year. And now, number 1. This is the job I promised you at the very start. 1. Previs artist. Before a single frame of a blockbuster gets filmed, somebody has already built the entire scene in rough 3D. Every camera angle, every stunt, every explosion, just to prove it'll actually work before millions of dollars get spent shooting it. That job is called a Previs artist, short for pre-visualization, and it's one of the most quietly essential roles in modern filmmaking. This one averages well over $110,000, with plenty crossing $150,000, and top earners have been reported north of $200,000. That's the job from the beginning of this video. If nobody's ever mentioned it to you, that's exactly the gap this channel exists to close. And speaking of things nobody tells you about this industry, there's an even bigger question coming up in a future video, whether freelance or working inside a studio actually pays more. The answer isn't what most people assume. None of these 5 jobs show up in the typical how to become a 3D artist advice, and that's exactly why so many people give up chasing careers that were never actually their only options. If you want more of the jobs, the paths, and the numbers nobody else is talking about, hit subscribe because this channel is going to keep digging up exactly this kind of thing every single week. See you in the next one.